First of all, oil weekly time frame. This is your key resistance level, $65, and it has been many months. Price is still trading above this level, so only big news can break out this level. And if this level break, then next support will be 43. But it depends on many news, especially your recession. And important thing is, this is dollar price of oil, and BRICS is your new superpower. So oil price can stay stable in their system, but in dollar term it can stay unstable. So after 65, next resistance will be 82, then 93. But it is sideways, same like dollar, gold, oil. These three things are sideways since beginning of the year. And if you see daily time frame, then after retest of 64 level, price went up, then it made triangle chart pattern correction, and this correction pattern has complete and upper trend line has broken. So right now we are in impulsive wave C. So in upcoming days, if 74 level breaks, then you can buy retest, but next target will be strong level 82. So this will be your first nearest target. So between 82 and 74 there is no resistance. And if news come, OPEC do production cut, and any bad news related to US-China relation, because ultimately China control entire BRICS system, so it may break out above 82. But until we get clarity, it will stay sideways. And right now price is in the middle. So for fresh new entry, wait for breakout, and since it is daily time frame, on a small time frame like H1 you can buy on retest, because USA want oil down, that's why they are releasing SPR. OPEC country want oil up, so that is why it is sideways. So two power are fighting on oil price. Then silver daily time frame. This was your first impulsive wave, then correction. This was your next impulsive wave, and you can call it ABC. And this is your new correction. And if you only see last wave, then it has retraced 61%. And since retest of this fifth level, it is going up. Silver went up before gold, and now both are going up. So 22-27 is your first big support level, and your resistance first $24. This is your strong resistance zone. It tested as support and resistance, so it is a strong level. So if CPI news comes in favor of precious metal, then it can retest 24 level. And fundamental of gold and silver both are same, so follow correlation. And for more clarity, if you see H4 time frame, then this is your Peller channel and price testing upper and lower trend line. And this is your static horizontal resistance 23.25. So for fresh new entry, if lower trend line retest, then you can buy or wait for clear breakout of this resistance level. This is same like 9035 level on gold. So if this horizontal resistance break, then on retest you can buy, and next target will be $24. So this is your resistance and this trend line is your dynamic support. So for new entry, either buy on retest of this lower trend line or after breakout, when it retests this resistance, then you buy. Or if you are confirmed that CPI will come down, then you can buy on current price. In that condition, your first support will be 2252. Bitcoin daily time frame. First it went up, your corrective wave A, counter trend correction B, then impulsive wave C. It made correction again. This was your flag pattern, and during this time US government was killing Bitcoin. A bad news every day about crypto industry. But when this last wave made 50% retracement and retested this previous resistance, a ETF news from big player like BlackRock, immediately different thing happened. US government from bearish to bullish in very short time, and you saw vertical price action. So they are killing small crypto exchange and replacing with big player like BlackRock. So your first support 25,300. This is your first support level. And market move before news all the time. Since that news, it is sideways, neither up nor down, just sideways. And if you see weekly time frame, then your first support 25,300, then 31,000. So these two are your first nearest support and resistance, but main upside target will be 48,555. So if it retests again 25,000 level, buy again, target new higher high. And if you are tracking Bitcoin price since the beginning, then these big players were bearish on Bitcoin all the time. And suddenly, before beginning of July month, before Fed now, US digital currency, they are bullish and their tone is completely different. After BlackRock, you can expect Jimmy Dimon can be next. Indirectly, they are saying for long term, government cannot control Bitcoin. And compared to oil, gold, you do not have intraday news, and Bitcoin only go vertical or sideways, either up or down. But if you need dates, then July FOMC meeting from Fed, then next month BRICS meeting. There is a rumor that they will announce their new currency. So these two dates can be key event for Bitcoin price. If BlackRock can change his mind, then last will be small central banks, because this was your poor people buying Bitcoin. This was your correction. This was your billionaire buying Bitcoin like Elon Musk, and this new wave, this is biggest player who control everything. They control even central bank. They are buying Bitcoin. They are not doing directly, but they have control on Bitcoin. So last will be small central bank buying Bitcoin. And this is not about inflation, it is about currency debasement. For example, dollar debasement was started from $35 and now you have triple top at 2070. And when CBDC come, these currency like dollar, euro and GBP, how they will measure their value against gold. These two waves, they are doing opposite of gold, because on this collapse gold was going vertical, and on this vertical movement gold was going down. So because of CBDC, there is a possibility all fundamental trading rule can change. And if these currency measure their value against Bitcoin, then we can see something like BTC EUR, BTC GBP. So for timing, wait for Fed July FOMC meeting and next month BRICS meeting. And your key level 25,000 and 31,000, and upside target 48,555.